Today, we review the best meal prep bags that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. This product is that it comes with PVA lining to make sure that the bag is properly insulated. The PVA linings are eco-friendly as well. We found the overall structure and design of the bag quite suitable for office goers, specifically those who are always on the go. Number 4. Evolutionized Meal Prep Insulated Lunch Bag. There is a reason why we called the design so highly functional. To be exact, the bag provides you with the scope to carry 4 meals at 4 insulated containers, 2 shaker cups for carrying protein shakes, smoothies etc., and plenty of small pockets for carrying everyday essentials in a convenient manner. To make the products insulated, the makers used PVA lining with EPA foam. The good part is these two are eco-friendly and does the job for you just at the right pace. Number 5. Isolator Fitness Insulated Lunch Bag Cooler. For someone looking for more rooms to carry extra for the entire office or your family, we have found just the right fit for you. The bag comes with 4 compartments which are of course completely insulated to keep your food cool for the entire day. It will actually sustain your food until 12 to 16 hours of the day. There is also a compartment over the surface for easy access and carrying of everyday essentials. We did find the bag too big to carry for usual occasions.